Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can change the default web browser on your Mac operating system. So let's get started and let's see how we can do it. So first of all, you need to open the system settings. You can open the system settings by clicking on this Apple logo and then click on system settings option. Or you can also click on this system settings icon on the dock. Once system settings window opens on the left hand side, just scroll down a little where you will see this section which says desktop and dock. So I'm going to click on this option. On the right hand side, when you scroll down, you will be able to see the option to change the default browser. So you can see this is the option we are looking for, which says default web browser. Right now, Google Chrome is my default web browser. I can change it to the other browser, which is Safari, for example. So this makes Safari as my default web browser instead of Google Chrome. And this is how you can change the default web browser on your Mac operating system. So I hope you've enjoyed this video and I will see you in the next video.